Today we're going to be making burek with cheese. Every time I go back to Yugoslavia, the first thing I ever do is go to local bakery and order burek and yogurt. Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and I love to cook. I was born and raised in old Yugoslavia. I moved to the United States in 1986 when I was 22 years old. Often I get nostalgic over a good life we had. When I get that feeling, I put Yugoslavian music in the background and I start to cook old and some forgotten recipes. You need 450 grams Filo dough, 350 grams feta cheese, 350 grams low-fat cheese or cream cheese, 1.5 cups sour cream, approximately 1 cup oil, 1.5 cups sparkling water, 2 eggs, and 15-inch pan. Take all cheeses and mix it well. Use any feta cheese as long as it's salty. I use goat cheese, but you can use different cheeses like cream cheese. Add sour cream. Add 2 eggs. Then mix it well. It needs to be almost like pancake mix. I use 15-inch pan and make sure you oil it well so it doesn't stick. Also, make sure you don't use olive oil because we're going to be cooking at a high temperature. Now we're going to start laying Filo sheets. Sometimes I have a trouble with them, depends on the batch. But if the sheets start breaking, don't worry about it, it's not a big deal. Just cover the pan with the first layer, and after you have the first layer on, soak it with the brush gently with oil and sparkling water mixture. Then repeat this 4 times to create 4 layers before adding fill. Spread fill just in a few spots. Then put the next layer of Filo. And again, spread fill on a few other spots in between previous one. Repeat all the steps until you have 8 Filo sheets left. Fold all sides in and then start laying last 4 layers without any cheese in between, but again cover with oil and sparkling water. After you finish laying all the Filo sheets, I dump the leftover sparkling water on top to soak it in. Then you can use toothpick, or I use shish kebab stick to poke the holes so all the sparkling water from the top soaks it in and makes it really moist. Bake it at 390 degrees for first 15 minutes, then reduce it down to 360 and bake it for another 30 minutes until golden brown. After you take it out of the oven, cover with the pizza pan and flip it upside down over the sink to drain extra oil and sparkling water. And leave it upside down and just pull the pan off of it. Oh. Enjoy. I really hope you love the recipe. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching.